Today is day 2 of the challenge. You won't believe what just happened. Let me try to get in the right position and all. I was trying to go live and the camera somehow is turned the wrong way. Who knows, I might just put it up anyway so y'all can have a good laugh. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, what we're practicing from his book. We're gonna practice this. And what I think I might start doing is just trying to practice even off camera, because trying to do it in a short period of time is difficult. We're gonna keep trying. And I decided to add some background music from YouTube Studio. Studio music. And let's see. Tell you, today I woke up and my legs were hurting so bad. If you're new to the channel, I have fibromyalgia, like really bad, and had like a really hard time walking. Had to get out my little cane, and I had to take some medicine, some pain medication. So that, of course, is going to affect my ability to draw it. But like I said, it's not, this is something that I'm, you know, just trying to get better at with portrait drawings. Because that's definitely challenging for me. But I feel like if you keep at something, you will finally get it. You'll finally catch on and something will just click. Make sure it's still in focus, because this is one of those days. It's just like things are kind of going a little bit wacky. But it's okay. We're gonna get through it. We're gonna get through it. I'm gonna stop talking and let you all just enjoy the music. And I'm gonna try to focus as best I can. Please let me know how things are going with your drawing, if you're struggling through too. That'll make me feel better. Oh my goodness, it looks crazy. Okay. I'm gonna go back to just practicing the contour lines and drawings that he mentions in the book. What he said, okay, this is Alfonso's book, directly from it. It says, consider this special line of visualization of the concept of complementary opposites and balance. Make sure y'all can see it. Okay. And conceptually, you think of it as resulting from two opposing forces working interdependently as one. The two arcs both oppose and balance each other simultaneously. When one swings up, the other counterbalances and swings down, and vice versa. So like I said, I'm going to be practicing this more. even when I'm not, I don't know, maybe I wanted to do it live and just kind of draw it, you know, practice drawing with you all, but the little stand that I use to be able to draw from this angle, it will not hold the phone vertically. It can only hold it horizontally. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I wanted to do it live and it didn't work. I'm gonna pout about it. Okay. And I'm gonna try not to be hard on myself, and I want you all to try not to be hard on yourself. This stuff takes time. That was really good. I think that looks really good. That line of balance going to you. Like I said, having a kind of a rough morning. How's you all's morning going? Hopefully better. The good thing is we showed up. And those are good, pretty good circles. I'm gonna kind of try to practice the movement of the contour lines, and that'll help a lot. And maybe that's what I'll start doing instead of trying to jump into the portraits so much. It's just start practicing the lines and all like that. I'm trying to make it. Let's try this contour. I do encourage you all to get this book because it really breaks things down. And I'm not, you know, affiliated with, well, at the moment I'm not affiliated with Amazon, even though some of my former videos will say I'm affiliated with them, but at the moment I'm not. Like I said, portraits are not exactly my thing, so that's why I decided to do this challenge, because I want to get better at it. Some things I can draw really well, some things like portraits I really struggle with. But I feel like if I keep at it, and if you're, you know, also wanting to do better with portrait drawings, because it is one of the more challenging types of drawings, please leave it in the comments that you're working on this too, and that we're in this together. That always makes me feel better, you know. Well, it's not just, you know, where I feel better, but I feel like it makes everybody feel better when they know they're not alone, you know. We're all working on this together and trying to get better at it. And I think mainly with the contour drawing, the purpose of it is to be able to control your movement better, because that's kind of like half the battle, is being able to. Planning to also, even when I'm not filming, I'm gonna try to just kind of practice. And like I said, I encourage you all to buy Alfonso's book, and Alfonso Dunn. If you happen to see this, if you have any comments to encourage us to that will help us out, please feel free to comment below. And anyway, because the music has now stopped, that means we've been on here for at least 7 minutes, probably a little bit more. So that's it for today, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Keep drawing, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.